See, now it's a winter going on. In winter, what happens that there is a very high level of Agni. Whenever there is outside, it is very cold. Inside, appetite increases, hunger increases. It is just like in ancient days, if you remember that when you take out water from the well, in winter season, water from the well becomes hot, and vice versa in summer. Summer, when it is very hot outside, water becomes cold. Now, the same thing happens in our gut. Whenever there is outside very cold, inside it becomes very hot. Acharya says, Vagbhatta says, listen to the Sanskrit shloka, then I will tell you the meaning of that. I will quote it, I am reading it. Balinaha Shita Samrodhat Hemante Prabalo Analaha. Anala, fire become very prabala in Hemanta. Bhavetya Alpa Indhano. If the fuel will be less, Dhatun Sapached. Bhavatya alpe indhano dhatunsa pachet vayu. Then vayu inside can even burn your own tissues if you will not give food fuel. So here, food is not only for the strength in winter, food is also to reduce the fire, otherwise this fire is going to burn body tissues itself. See, what is this actually? According to even in the present studies, even if you see, according to science, because you all are science students, BMR, body basal metabolic rate, right? Basal metabolic rate, BMR is very, very high when there is cold outside. So when BMR is high, if you will not eat, then body tissue will get burnt out. Therefore, food which has thermogenesis, which increases heat in the body, should be consumed in Hemanta Ritu or Shishir Ritu, means in such a cold weather which is going on nowadays. So what are those things? Like carrot, sweet potato. These are the carbohydrates which have a very high level of complex carbohydrates when you have a very high BMR. Another thing is turmeric and ginger also reduces your BMR. It helps in stabilizing your Agni. Another very important thing is nuts. Take cashew, almonds. Okay, nothing. If people don't want to spend so much money, peanuts work fantastic. So when there is very, very cold outside, Agni is very high as per Ayurvedic language. If you talk in the science language of the present time, BMR is high. So you need a food which has a high level of thermogenesis, like carrot, like sweet potato, like nuts, like turmeric, like ginger. So prefer these foods, tell to your patients to eat these things so that their body not get weakened, so that immune system remain good and they can protect themselves from any type of catastrophe within the system.